Okay, good afternoon, folks. This came today, which I purchased from Amazon. I've got nothing to do with this company. I have dealt with them before, and they sent me a free stove. It's called Firemaple. Now, to me, that looks backwards, but to you, I don't know if that will look. It'll probably be all right. So this is a 1 litre kettle. It's suitable. The material says it's an SUS 304, so it's stainless steel. It can go on a convector. You can see those four there. Convector, a ring, a fire, and gas. Stainless steel and anatractic. I don't know what that means. I'll find out. There we go. I'll just show you that. We'll get it out of the box and we'll see what we get. All right. Ooh, that's nice. A bit of tidy. So we're going to do a bit of a boil test as well. Hence the board. I love this thing. Now, I've got one, a stainless. We're trying to avoid sort of things like Tefal and stuff like that. We're going more towards cast iron and stainless steel. So that's what we're looking at. It's a 1 litre kettle, a lockable handle. It's good. The lid, you have to just pull it up the front and then pull it forward so it sits underneath this one. It is extra bit longer. And a 1 litre one. So what they did send me yonks ago, which I did a review for them, was, let me just find the opening for this. Here we go. This is the Firemaple stove. And I've used this and it's really good. It's not auto light, which I'm not really too fussed on because sometimes they just break. And then if you haven't got a lighter with you or some sort of spark, you're stuffed in with a cooker. So this is it. This is another thing by Firemaple. So pull the legs out, pull the pot stands out, and there we go. By Firemaple. I've got nothing to do with them. I'm just showing you it's quite good stuff. Okay. So I'll bring that camera down a little bit. It's really standy, good legs on it, a good pot stand. Now the other thing with these, and you can get these off the site, off Firemaple site as well. This is a adapter, so you can change from these canisters, which I like to use. These are half propane. No, they're 30% propane and 70% butane. But it means they don't freeze in the winter. So you've got this type, which then screws on there, like so. But also, if you're stuck for a bit of room or whatever, you can still use this type by using this adapter. Okay, so you screw the adapter onto the original, like so, nice and tight, and then pop the lid on that. And what you do with this, if I get this, I've got to get this right. So you line up the little notch on there. I presume we do that. Hold on 1 second. I've not used it for a while. Come on. I'm doing something. Oh, there we go. So yeah, you unlock it and then you lock it, and it can't come out. And then that engages this bottle with this cooker. You can lie this down as well, but I'll just stand it up for now for purposes. Right, let's get a lighting material. Okay, so I'm going to pop this now, probably half full. Don't want that in there. There's a little bag. I'll give it a quick swirl, but I'm not going to use it in. We're going to half fill it and then see how long it takes to boil. I might even fill it actually and put the lid on. Well, let's fill it and see how long it takes. Okay, that's full. There's my finger. There it is, right on the top, just to make sure. He's a bit of a beast, this thing. Right, and timing it now. So it's 21 minutes past exactly. I'll pause you there and we'll come back in a bit. That's fully on now. Here we go. A bit more to go there. So I've got the GSI stainless steel kettle, which I've used and used and used. It's a bit not dented as such, it's got a couple of dents in it and a bit soiled, but it's fine. But the difference is, if you look at that spout, that is upright. So when it starts to boil, it virtually is contained inside. When the GSR gets to boil, it starts spitting out because it's down here somewhere. And it starts chucking it out. So hence, that's why I've gone for the 1 litre with the bigger spout. But it is a heavier grade metal, I think, as well. I'm not too sure, but I do like. We've had the GSI for loads of years, about 3 or 4 years, so it's great. Right, let's see how we get on. Bubbles are curing, and the lid's not too hot at the moment. Also, on the GSI, I do find that the handle, that does exactly the same. That gets extremely hot, so be careful. Yeah, that's hot. Okay, we're coming on to 3 minutes. Well, there we go. 3.5 minutes actually, 3.5 minutes, should I say. Pretty good. Okay, we're looking at 5 minutes. Oh, we got rolling boil nearly, look. Yeah. So 5 minutes and 10 seconds. We've now got a rolling boil. Well, I think that's a rolling boil. What do you think? Just leave it for another 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes 30. Now, yeah, that's pretty good. That's a litre of dead cold water. It wasn't heated up. I'm going to turn that down a bit. Ooh, here we go. Okay, the kettle was from Amazon. You can buy it from Firemaple, this site as well. Amazon was $29.95 delivered. The adapter, I'm not too sure. I think it's about £5 for the adapter. Something like that. That's from Firemaple site as well. You can get, this one wasn't, but you can get exactly the same thing from their site. And the cooker, I'm not too sure. I think it was. I'll leave that in the description down below because I did a video on that before. So yeah, I'm not too sure. I'll look at that, and I think the whole caboodle will cost you. But I don't know. I will leave that in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. I'm not affiliated with Firemaple. I just like this stuff. All right. So, like I said, it didn't spill over from the spout, which is great. And we'll catch you in the next video. All the best. Take care.